What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right in front of me, what do we have here? A YZ, an RM. We went and picked up an Rm125 today, and I saw it on Facebook Marketplace for super cheap. I couldn't pass this deal up. And if you guys have, does this bike look familiar? If it does, let me know down in the comments. This bike has been on my channel, a video, and that video was pretty insane. Something happened back here, so if you remember what that is, leave a like and comment down below. But I picked this bike up for 600 bucks, and I just couldn't pass up on this deal, especially because all the stuff that's on it. Pro circuit silencer, black wheels, Pro Tracks wheels, and those are super clean. I thought about putting them on my bike, the YZ, and it would really make the YZ stand out and look good. Yeah. The wheel bearings, I got the back brake caliper, it's right over there. It's just not on, and I got some wheel bearings, so I'm gonna put those in, and so that'll be good. Compression and everything's good. Yeah, the compression's good, a lot more than my YZ, which my YZs do. The dude painted the expansion chamber, which is pretty dumb. Don't ever paint expansion chambers, just leave them the way they are. Because paint, I mean, it does look good black, but if you're gonna paint it, you want to at least paint it right. Or
you see down here, it's a Pro Circuit pop. I mean, maybe if it rusted like that, I can see them painting it, but my Rm125 that I had even had a spray painted Pro Circuit expansion pipe just like that, and it was coming through about right there. It's coming through, and it was starting to look like that, and they look good. They look good black because they look stock, because that's how they come stock, but you just gotta keep them maintained. As you see, his is stock, and it's black, but he's gonna fix it up nice. It's gonna be a nice bike when we're done with it. I'm here basically just to help him out. I said I wanted to help, and I like working on bikes and messing around with them. And it's always fun when you can get a bike that doesn't run and you can get it running. It's the best feeling in the world, I think so. So come over to help my buddy out, and we're gonna try to get this thing running.
And
today.
You can't forget about your YouTube channel, RM125. If you're new to my channel, I noticed a few videos have went pretty viral, and I've gained a lot of subscribers since then. Yeah. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you go check him out. He's close to 10K, so go over there, subscribe to his channel, and help him reach 10K.
Yeah. I got if you don't know, I got a Rm250. Looks just like this, just about. A little bit cleaner, of course, because this one needs to be. It needs some work, but it'll get there, and he got an extremely good deal on it. If I had the money and I had, if I found this, I would have picked it up. For sure. But
as you see, the wheels, the dude said that because at the track or at Cape Park, he snapped the sprocket and there was no way of fixing it, no way of putting it back together. So he had to just buy new rims for the bike. And as you see, they are brand new rims. They're just have dirt on them, but as you see, you can wipe them off right there. Still has that clear shine, no scratches. So those are brand new wheels. He said he paid $300 for them, and I paid $600 for the bike. So I got an extremely good deal. Yeah. So enough talking. It's late in the day, so we're gonna get this carb off and get it cleaned up, and hopefully we can get this. And we got to get those wheel bearings in before we can even ride the brake put back on. But yeah, let's get into this carburetor and see if it's junked up and see if we can get it running today. Got the carburetor out. Just got to take the throttle cable off and pull it out. But as you see, look at the dirt just by pulling the boot off. You can see that there's dirt already in there. So we can get this carb off and open it up and see how the inside looks. Also took the spark plug out, checked for spark, has spark, and the spark plug's brand new. Doesn't even look like it's even ran and got no gas to it. So that's good. Getting spark, carburetor should be the problem. Took the air filter out and checking in the hair box. It's pretty dirty in there. And also found one of the brackets to the seat down in there. Well, Bruce found it down in the air box. That don't go there. Goes on the seat, so we'll probably have to fix that somehow, hopefully. Or I might just get a whole new seat and seat cover. But yeah, the air filter looks pretty new. Don't look too bad. Oh, the inside is brand new, so we can just get that cleaned up and put that air filter back in there. But yeah, let's get this. We had to take the gas tank off, or having to take the gas tank off to be able to pull this throttle cable out, because the two screws on the top of the slider, or the top of the carburetor, is stripped. And I swear, almost every carburetor I've ever touched has those same.
One of those, or at least one of them, or both of them are stripped.
Got it cleaned up most of the way. I mean, the jets and everything look fine, and the carb and everything looks fine. There's a little bit of dirt in it. around the slide and stuff, and you could hear dirt like crunching when you move the slide up and down. And the main jet, I think it was, or the what's the other jet called?
Yeah,
main
pilot jet.
Pilot jet was the one that was clogged just a little bit, so we got that cleaned out. But yeah, other than that, everything looks fine, and the bike should crank up and run. So we can get this car put back together, put it on the bike, see if we got any luck. Draining the gas. If you can look down in the gas tank, I don't know if you'll be able to see. There's dirt all down in the gas tank. So we're draining the gas, and we're gonna go to the store, get some more gas, and don't want to run it like that since we just cleaned the carburetor. So I want to have fresh gas and make sure no dirt gets down in there.
Dude, look at this. Oh my god.
Here's one of my buddies on the YZ250. He ain't never rode a 250, and especially a 252 stroke, and I let him hop on it. So yeah, this kid's first time on a YZ250. And he's doing pretty good actually. Thought he'd be worse, but he's actually doing all right. What's up guys, it's next day. I didn't get the Rm125 run yesterday, got the car cleaned up, still didn't have any luck getting it running. Made sure to check for spark, got the gas tank cleaned out because I don't know how so much dirt got in the gas tank, how this gas tank looked. There was just so much dirt at the bottom caped up. But we got the carburetor cleaned up. It was pretty bad, not junked up. There was a lot of dirt down in the slide and all in the carburetor. Took the air filter out. The air filter looked brand new, the inside was brand new. And the air box was super dirty, but we didn't have any luck getting it running. After we got the car cleaned up, I put my finger over the spark plug hole, kicked it to see if there was any top of oil. There was no top of oil or anything on my finger, so I'm still thinking it's not getting gas. And I probably could pick up a cheap carburetor on eBay. I've had good luck with the cheap carburetors on eBay. I bought one a while back for the YZ125 that I had. Didn't end up using it. Got the carburetor cleaned up on it and got it running nice. But I ended up giving the carburetor away to HighGearMX to put on his CR250, and it made it run well, made it run crisp, and he actually could get the bike opened up. With the stock carburetor, it was super bad. He cleaned it up and he just couldn't get it running and running right. So I gave him that carburetor, and after that it ran good. So I might do that, might pick up a carburetor for this bike. Also need to get a seat cover and some other stuff, some wheel bearings and rotor for the back brake, but that's just simple cheap stuff. But then I got to get the bike running, and it has compression, everything there that it needs. I need to take the reeds out and check those and make sure the gap in the reeds, you know, there's no gap in the reeds. But other than that, it's a super clean bike. You see, it has compression a lot more than my YZ250. So I know it's not the top end or the rings, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the carburetor. Like I said, I checked for spark, and it had spark, and it has a brand new spark plug in it. So I know it's not, you know, having a problem getting spark. And something with the gas, I try to put gas down in the spark plug hole. Might have put too much, or you know, not enough. You have to get that perfect. So I'm pretty sure we got to get this carburetor off and adjusted and cleaned up right. Might have to get a rebuild kit for it and some new screws because I stripped those out. I hate carburetors. Almost every carburetor I've ever worked on has stripped out screws. If you've always had that problem, guys, with stripped out carburetor screws, I know you have. I know I ain't the only one. Leave a like and let me know in the comments, because that's the worst. Anything stripped is bad when you can't get it off. But yeah, other than that, I might, if I don't, you know, work on it, get it running, I already got it up for sale, I might sell it, even though it is a size. Other than that, like I said, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, tell me what you think about the new Rm125, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.